All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're not talking about just another tech trend, we're talking about the rise of a completely new kind of talent, one that is fundamentally changing how whole industries operate. We're talking about agentic AI.
No, really, just pause and think about that. What if? We've moved way beyond AI that just follows a simple command. We are now in an era where AI agents are becoming our collaborators. They're taking on entire workflows, making judgment calls, and adapting on the fly. This changes, well, it changes everything about what a team even means.
So, let's meet this new teammate. What is agentic AI really, and what makes it so different from the automation we've known for years? This analogy just nails it. For years, automation has basically been a checklist bot. You give it a super specific, step-by-step list, and it just plows through it. Simple. But agentic AI? That's the project manager. You don't give it a checklist, you give it a goal. It figures out the steps, it hits roadblocks and finds a way around them, and it makes its own decisions to get the job done. It's the difference between just following a recipe and actually being a chef. And this isn't some sci-fi fantasy set decades from now. Look at this. By 2026, and that is right around the corner, 40% of the big enterprise apps we all use will be run by these kinds of decision-making agents. The speed of this change is just breathtaking.
Okay, so if this is happening so fast, where is it happening? Which industries are already jumping in head first and building their future around these new digital coworkers?
The adoption rates are already through the roof. We're seeing nearly 70% adoption in manufacturing and healthcare. Just let that sink in. That means right now, as we speak, AI agents are helping with medical diagnoses, managing patient care pathways, and overseeing quality control on factory floors. This is already happening at a massive scale.
And you know what follows adoption? Money. A lot of it. The investment here is staggering. We're talking over $1 trillion projected for IT and cybersecurity, hundreds of billions of manufacturing, nearly $100 billion in finance. These aren't small bets. This is the new core strategy.
And that core strategy isn't about replacing humans. It's built around this really powerful idea called collaborative intelligence. This is all about partnership. Let the agents handle the repetitive, data-crunching, routine work. That frees us, the humans, up to focus on what we're uniquely good at: judgment, creativity, strategy, and dealing with those tricky situations that need a human touch.
Okay, so if we're all going to be working with AI, what does that actually mean for our jobs? Let's talk about the new roles and skills that are popping up in this brand new hybrid workforce.
And no, these are not job titles from 2050. These are real roles showing up on LinkedIn today. You've got agent orchestrators designing how humans and AI work together, and AI audit specialists, who are basically the conscience for the machine. The big shift is this: we're moving from being the ones who do the work to being the ones who direct the work.
This quote just perfectly captures the moment we're in. When the machines can handle all the predictable stuff, our human skills, our creativity, our intuition, our ability to see the bigger picture, they don't just stay relevant. They become the single most valuable thing we bring to the table.
All right, this is all fascinating, but let's make it personal. What can you do about it right now? Let's build an action plan so you can thrive in this new agentic era. Here are 4 key steps to future-proof your career. First, build your AI literacy. Don't just read about it. Get in there and play with the tools. Understand what they can really do. Second, master collaboration. Start thinking like a workflow designer. How can you and an AI agent tag team a project? Third, think multidisciplinary. You can't just be the tech person or the business person anymore. You need to blend both with a heavy dose of ethics. And finally, number 4, never stop learning. This field is changing by the minute. You have to stay curious and seek out training on how to manage and orchestrate these new digital team members.
All right, let's zoom out one last time and look at the horizon. If today is this disruptive, what does the future have in store?
Now, take a deep breath and look at these projected ratios. In customer service, we could see 1,000 AI agents for every 1 human worker, who's only there to handle the absolute toughest cases. Even in management, we could see 10 AI agents for every human manager. The scale of this shift is just hard to fully comprehend.
So, here's the most important takeaway of all. This isn't something that's just happening to us. The real winners in this new era will be the people who don't just adapt to change, but who actively design these new hybrid teams. The future belongs to the architects of this new world of work.
Which leaves us with one final question for you. The tech is here. The shift is happening. Your smartest, most efficient digital teammates are waiting. The only real question left is, are you ready to lead them?